Hello, friends. So, today we will discuss the topic types classification of communication. In our previous video, we have discussed process of communication. If you have not seen, you can go to my YouTube channel and see how the process of communication starts. So today we will talk on the types and classification of communication, which is very important. As you can see, the definition of communication is one kind of activity of exchanging messages by reading, writing, speaking, listening, gesture, behavior, etc. We are motionless without communication. There are different types of communication depending on their nature or behavior. We should discuss it in detail. What are the types of communication? So there are different types of communication. Systems are found in different kinds of the types of communication differ from organization to organization depending upon the nature of the information to be communicated and the purpose of communication mainly takes the form of formal communication and informal communication. So basically, formal communication follows the chain and command. It consists of downward communication, upward communication, and horizontal communication. Many communication scholars view the type of communication basing on the direction of flow of the message only, and as such they classify communication to be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. Different types of communications are shown in the following graph. We can see here different types of communication on the basis of expression, method, and media, on the basis of flow of information, and on the basis of organizational relationship. So communication is categorized in different types. As you can see, on the basis of expression, method, and media, there are two types: verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication has two types: oral communication and written communication. Non-verbal communication is divided into visual communication, audio method, audio-visual communication. Again, visual communication is divided into three: gesture communication, passive communication, communication through action. On the basis of flow of information, communication is divided into three: horizontal communication, vertical, and crosswise communication. Again, vertical communication has two types: upward communication and downward communication. Now, on the basis of organizational relationship, communication is divided into two types: formal communication and informal communication. Now, we will discuss it in detail. So these are the types of communication which we able to understand through chart. Now, first, on the basis of expression, method, and media, we can differentiate communication into two types, which are discussed below: verbal communication and non-verbal communication. So, verbal communication is a communication process that uses both oral and written to communicate, like chatting with a friend on internet, send SMS to anyone by mobile phone. All of them are nothing but verbal communication. Non-verbal communication, this kind of communication doesn't use the oral or written process to communicate. It uses some symbol. Some of them we mention below. When we are on the road, we see some arrow like go left or go right. So we can say these are non-verbal communication. In some place there is a symbol which means no smoking. So these are the types, examples of non-verbal communication. So verbal communication can be differentiated into two: oral communication and written communication. From the name of this communication type, we can understand which communication process uses an only oral method, that is known as oral communication. And second one, written communication, it is the same above, which communication process use only has written method to communicate, that is known as written communication. Next is non-verbal communication has 6 kinds. First, visual communication, which communication process uses photography, graphics, design, illustration, fine art, multimedia, etc. to communicate, that is known as visual communication. Second is audio method communication, communication that uses an audio method to communicate, that is commonly known as audio method communication. Third is audio visual communication. This kind of communication uses both audio and picture to communicate. It can be used with oral and written communication. It is mainly used in television advertisement. Fourth one is gesture communication. In our day-to-day life, we make various gestures to communicate, and that kind of communication is known as gesture communication. Passive communication. This kind of communication is the most likely gesture communication. Difference is gesture is made to communicate properly, but passive communication is done for avoiding some communication. Sixth is communication through action. Which kind of communication precedes its communication process through action, that is known as communication through action. Now, on the basis of the flow of information, communication can be divided into three: horizontal communication, according to David H. Moult. Horizontal communication is the process of exchanging information between peers at any organization level, usually to coordinate activities. Second, vertical communication, when a communication made between superior to subordinate or subordinate to superior is known as vertical communication. Crosswise communication, crosswise communication doesn't follow something like upward or downward communication. In this communication process, any person of any position can communicate with another person of any position. Again, vertical communication can be divided into two: upward and downward. Upward communication is done between subordinate to superiors, and that is known as upward communication. Downward communication, this is just the opposite of upward communication, communication made superior to subordinates. Next is on the basis of organizational relationship. Communication can be divided into two: that is formal communication and informal. Formal communication may be a verbal or written presentation which maintains some certain rules and regulation. Informal communication is one kind of casual communication which does not need to follow any rules and regulation. So this is about types and classification of communication. In next video we will talk about other part of communication. Thank you.